I'm Birger Hillaert from the European team from Poynting Antennas. I'm having a chance today to unbox our new and latest Ripple dome antenna, which is a marine antenna, which has a lot of nice features, technical features. It is a high value product, and that's why we also needed to reinvent the packaging, because we of course want to have the product delivered in one piece to the customer. So, what can we see? We have this very ecological cardboard box from recycled cardboard. We have some tie strappers to really put everything together, and we also wanted it easy to open for our integrators so they really don't lose time in unpacking it. So we remove the strappers on both ends, and then remove the cardboard columns. The cardboard box, as you can see, it's even double-sided with air in between to have extra impact capabilities. You see the nice product, the Ripple inside, and what you will also find here is some recycled packaging material which gives extra protection to the dome, because of course we don't want scratches on it. So when looking at it, you can really feel at the bottom there's kind of a handheld to really pull it out easy. Reinforcing cardboard, it's quite strong. Yeah, so you pull the Ripple out using the handheld. It also has a protective cardboard plate at the bottom, so you can no damage. You can do no damage on that. On the sides, you pull it out, and you see at the end there are extra protective covers. And don't throw them away, because we have some very nice tools in there which help you to ensure a proper installation. We put a free toolkit in every Ripple box. So this said, so now we've unboxed the Ripple. We can open it. Of course, these normally are screwed tight, so it won't open. So for the benefit of this video, we already opened it and to save some time. So it's very easy to open. It has a very intelligent hinge at the back, which will make it very easy to open. As you can see, very nice, very time-winning extra feature, the hinge. Not only when pre-installing it in your warehouse before you go to the customer, install it on the vessel, but also when, for example, you have this SLA contract, you have a 6-month maintenance vision, you can easily open it on the mast, let it go and do your things inside, maybe the router or cleaning the inside if it's needed. So very intelligent feedback we got from some very valuable integrators that tested the demo units. So what you see here is a pre-drilled base plate with a first and a second level, where you can put the mount the routers on. It's a Ripple 16, so we have a maximum 4 5G modems you can put in. So we have made special brackets. For example, if you would like to have 4 separate 5G routers inside, 2 on the base, 2 on the top, you can easily fix them and really cleanly install them using this bracket. We have brackets 71, 72, 73. You can see the other ones here. If you would, for example, have a type of router where all the 5G modems, the 4 5G modems are in one housing, or when you have, for example, 2 dual 5G modem routers inside, then you can easily use the other bracket 72 to really fix them so they don't start to rattle when the big engine of the vessel is starting up. So, as I said, don't forget the tool set, it's very handy, and of course you can keep it for other installations. After we've installed our routers, of course, we've connected the right ports of the routers to the right antennas, Wi-Fi, LTE, and the GPSs. We can of course close it. What you can feel when you close it is a little hinge working. That's the intelligence in hinge. It will give you a little push when you feel it. That makes that it lands exactly on the base, so everything is really fit down. You screw it up and it's real IP65. So that's what we do. So of course we have an instruction manual, which is of course also digital, available when you contact us or on the website. When going to the product page, you can download it. But of course we put it in the same cardboard box, so again, do not throw away the cardboard when unboxing it. So this was it for the unboxing of our new Ripple, our latest maritime antenna. So thank you all for watching, and hopefully it will get some great solutions to your customers. Thank you.